Samsung's Galaxy Z Fold is an impressive piece of technology. There's no denying that. It looks futuristic, it turns heads, and it shows just how far foldable phones have come. When you open it up fully, the screen feels massive. Browsing the web feels more like using a tablet. Watching videos is immersive. Running 3 apps at the same time feels powerful and honestly pretty cool. On paper and in short demos, the Fold feels like the future of smartphones. But after actually using it, and then going back to another device, something became very clear. As impressive as the Galaxy Z Fold is, the phone I actually want to use every single day is the Galaxy Z Fold 7. The first thing that stands out with the Fold 7 is the weight, or rather, the lack of it. It feels surprisingly light for a foldable. It's also incredibly thin, and that changes everything about how it feels in daily use. When it's folded, it doesn't feel bulky in your pocket. When it's open, it doesn't feel awkward or heavy in your hands. It just feels natural. There's also something special about the folding mechanism on the Fold 7. Samsung has refined this design so much that opening and closing the phone still feels satisfying, even after a long time. It's smooth, solid, and reassuring. Every time I pick it up, it feels like a finished product, not an experiment. With the Fold, I don't get that same feeling. Yes, the larger screen is great in specific situations, like watching shows or browsing the web for longer periods. But the extra weight and thickness are always noticeable. It's not uncomfortable, but it's not effortless either. Over time, that makes a big difference. The Fold shines when you treat it like a mini tablet. If you love sitting down to watch content, read, or multitask heavily, it can be amazing. But for my everyday use, those moments are not frequent enough to justify the trade-offs. Most of the time, I just want a phone that feels good to carry, easy to use with one hand, and quick to open when I need more screen space. That's where the Fold 7 wins. I honestly think the Fold could have been a true game changer if it were slimmer or lighter. If Samsung had managed to reduce the thickness even more, or if they had gone in a different direction with something like a rollable display, it might have felt more practical. As it is now, the Fold feels more like a preview of what might be possible in the future, rather than the final form of a foldable phone. That doesn't mean it's a bad device. Not at all. Samsung deserves a lot of credit for pushing boundaries and taking risks. The Fold proves that Samsung is still leading when it comes to foldable innovation. It shows ambition, creativity, and confidence. But innovation alone doesn't always make the best daily device. Balance does. And that's where the Galaxy Z Fold 7 really shines. The Fold 7 may not be the most extreme or experimental foldable Samsung has ever made, but it feels the most refined. It's light, thin, and well, balanced. Using it every day feels effortless. Switching back to it after the Fold didn't feel like a downgrade. If anything, it felt refreshing. Right now, the Galaxy Z Fold 7 is the best foldable Samsung has ever made. It may not win every spec comparison, and it may not look as futuristic as the Fold, but in terms of design and usability, it feels like peak Samsung. It's the kind of phone that disappears into your routine, and that's exactly what a great daily device should do.